Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Taapsee Pannu, known for her powerful performances and bold personality, also stands out with her impeccable sense of style, particularly in saris. Her sari fashion choices exude a blend of contemporary elegance and traditional grace, making her a style icon for many. Whether draped in a classic silk sari or a modern chiffon creation, the actress knows how to make a statement. She often opts for vibrant colors like rich reds, deep blues, and striking greens, each accentuating her radiant complexion and confident demeanor. Intricate embroideries, delicate zari work, and exquisite prints further enhance her sari looks, showcasing a fine balance between heritage and modernity. Taapsee accessorizes her saris with tasteful jewelry, ranging from bold statement pieces to subtle, elegant earrings and bangles, adding the perfect finishing touch to her outfits. Her hairstyles, often styled in soft waves or elegant updos, complement her sari looks beautifully, highlighting her features and adding to her overall charm. Her sari fashion often includes designer creations from renowned labels, showcasing the versatility of the sari as a garment. She has been seen in saris made of various fabrics like silk, chiffon, georgette, and even organza, each chosen to perfectly suit the occasion and her personal style. She might choose a plain sari with minimalistic design elements and elevate it with a heavily embroidered blouse or a statement pallu, creating a harmonious and eye-catching ensemble. She has been known to sport saris with bold, avant-garde designs, including ruffles, fringe details, and unique color combinations, showcasing her fearless approach to fashion. Taapsee also uses her sari choices to make cultural and social statements. She often supports and promotes handloom saris and traditional Indian craftsmanship, bringing attention to sustainable fashion and the importance of preserving Indian textile arts. Her collaboration with designers who emphasize ethical fashion practices further cements her role as a responsible fashion icon. In her public appearances, whether at film promotions, award functions, or charity events, Taapsee Pannu's sari choices consistently make headlines. Her looks are meticulously styled to reflect her personality, bold, elegant, and unapologetically herself. With every appearance, she inspires countless fans to embrace the sari, not just as a traditional garment, but as a symbol of timeless elegance and contemporary chic. Her sari fashion extends beyond the conventional, often incorporating elements of fusion wear that make her stand out in the fashion landscape. She has been spotted in saris paired with unconventional blouses, such as crop tops, off-shoulder blouses, and even jackets, adding a modern twist to the traditional attire. These innovative pairings highlight her fashion-forward thinking and her willingness to break away from the norm. Her color palette is another aspect that showcases her versatility. While she dazzles in bright, bold hues, Taapsee also embraces pastels and neutral tones, proving that she can carry off any look with equal grace. From pristine whites and soft pinks to earthy browns and serene blues, her choices are a testament to her refined taste and ability to adapt her style to different moods and occasions. In terms of patterns, her sari collection includes a variety of prints and motifs. She is often seen in florals, geometric patterns, and traditional Indian designs like paisleys and bandhani. Each pattern is thoughtfully chosen to enhance the sari's overall aesthetic, whether it's a light, breezy sari for a daytime event or a richly adorned one for a glamorous evening. Accessories play a crucial role in completing Taapsee's sari looks. SH often opts for statement jewelry that complements but never overshadows her outfit. From antique silver pieces and kundan sets to modern, minimalist jewelry, her accessory choices are as eclectic as her saris. Footwear is equally important, with Taapsee balancing comfort and style in elegant heels or traditional juttis, depending on the look she is going for. Makeup and hair are the final touches that bring her sari looks together. Her makeup is usually understated, with a focus on enhancing her natural beauty. She often goes for a dewy look with nude lips and subtle eye makeup, allowing her sari to take center stage. Her hair, whether styled in loose waves, sleek ponytails, or intricate braids, always complements her outfit perfectly. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.